Here is an urgent winter weather message for the following area in California, West Slope, northern Sierra Nevada. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a blizzard warning above 6,000 feet, which is in effect from 10 p.m. Wednesday to 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Friday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Impacts go in extremely hazardous whiteout conditions. Passes may close for several hours. Snow accumulations 10 to 20 inches above 6,000 feet with 2 to 3 feet or more possible along the crest. Timing. Snow will begin late Wednesday night into Thursday morning and continue into Friday. The period of heaviest snow is expected Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. The strongest winds are expected Wednesday night and Thursday. Snow levels. Snow levels will initially be above 6,500 feet late Wednesday into Thursday, lowering to 4,500 to 5,500 feet Thursday night into Friday. Wind. Southerly winds 25 to 50 miles per hour with gusts to 80 miles per hour or higher will develop Wednesday night into Thursday. Winds decrease by Friday morning. Locations include Lassen National Park, Donner Pass, Echo Summit, Carson Pass. For a detailed view of the hazard area, visit http://www.weather.gov/Sacramento/hazards. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Interact with US via social media www.facebook.com/nationalweatherservice.sacramento www.twitter.com/Sacramento